Hi, I am Dr. Rasya Dixit. I am a dermatologist working in Bangalore from the last 18 years. And today I am here to answer all your questions about skin and hair related queries. The buzzword is collagen and the buzzwords are anti-aging, and the newest thing on the block is something called vegan collagen. So let us understand what is vegan collagen. The vegan collagen, the term itself is misleading because collagen is basically animal-derived source. Vegan collagen is not a collagen, but it is those vitamins, nutrients like vitamin C, amino acids, which are needed to make collagen stronger. So it is a precursor of collagen. So if you are talking about vegan collagen, it is not equal to animal collagen or marine collagen or bovine collagen. It is a precursor of collagen. So does this really work? When we take supplementation of these precursors of collagen, they do integrate into the skin and they have been shown in small scientific studies to benefit the skin by increasing the moisturizing in the skin, decreasing the pore size and reducing the wrinkles. So yes, there is some scientific evidence which says that vegan collagen does give you a good improvement in the skin color, skin texture, and causes some delay in aging. There is some evidence which is coming up that these vegan collagen supplements also help in improving the texture of the skin and the quality of the skin. The consideration here is whether a vegan collagen can completely replace an animal collagen. The answer is you're comparing apples and oranges. Though both of them do boost collagen metabolism and they increase the skin quality, there have not been any studies which have compared them side by side. Important considerations here are there is an individual variation in the response to treatment, so everybody may not do well with the same thing. If you have a very strong bias against taking animal collagen, then vegan supplement may be the thing for you, but do speak to your dermatologist before you choose the brand which is best for you. Both vegan as well as animal collagens do help to delay the onset of aging, and they are like having some amount of insurance in the bank so that you are not going to age as fast as if you did not take the supplementation. So yes, it does help to boost the skin's natural immunity and it helps to anti-age the skin. It definitely helps with hair strength as well and joint strength as well. But there are many factors at play here, which include lifestyle, stress, sleep habits, which could also be contributing to your skin's overall aging. So that being said, plant collagens or vegan collagens are scientifically proven to work in delaying aging in the 30s and the 40s. Side effects of supplements are usually gastric related. So some people don't tolerate absorption of amino acids. Some people may be allergic to some of the components, especially soy and some plant-based antioxidants. They may be allergic to it. So if you are having any specific dietary allergies, please be careful when you select your vegan protein. If you don't have allergies, you can try it, but if you keep having bloating, abdominal discomfort, too much flatulence, then you may have to rethink your protein choice. Vegan collagen supplements are now available significantly. Look for something which is from a good brand. Make sure that you take it as advised, usually once or twice a day, not more than that. It can be consumed as a drink by adding it to a water or a juice or a smoothie that you might be making. So it is as simple as that. Choose reliable brands or speak to your dermatologist for a good brand recommendation. Vegan and animal collagen supplements are great for skin, hair and joints. So because all these areas there is a lot of collagen involved, so when you take the supplements, it works on all the three. So definitely yes, there are studies which have shown some improvement in hair as well with vegan collagen supplements. If you are looking at boosting your natural collagen and just not taking only these supplements, remember foods which are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, basically your brightly colored fruits and vegetables, and having a healthy lifestyle, including exercise in your lifestyle, cutting down on stressful behavior like smoking, alcohol intake and sleeping on time is also going to contribute a long way in improving your collagen turnover in the skin. Also, don't forget your sunscreen. That is one of the most important causes of depletion of collagen in the skin is the sun itself.